Welcome to my home in Tampines, where my family of 3 resides. Now that we are retired, my husband and I invest our time to engage in different pastime hobbies at home. So Palin, our interior designer, helped us to create the vision for our dream home that meets our needs. I love bringing guests over to chit-chat over tea time, so we knocked down one spare bedroom to achieve this dreamy open concept kitchen and cozy dining area.
Embraced by soft muted pastels and wainscoting details, the distinctive characteristics of a traditional English cottage home imbues the interior with a charming personality. The open communal area also supports easy maintenance of the clean, decluttered look.
Taking my daughter Shirin's ideas into account, a classic marble wallpaper was chosen for the bedroom feature wall. A bay window seating was also included to preserve a slice of a childhood bedroom. This is where Shirin can sit and work in this well-lit, cozy corner.
An extensive wardrobe feature serves a whopping 3-in-1 function: a clothing rack storage, a vanity counter, and a secret door to the master bathroom.
After sailing through the long renovation journey, we are happy that the vision for our dream home is finally translated into reality. Now we have our own picture-perfect cottage where we can spend quality time with family and friends.